PIW, what is it? Well, that stands for Property Inspection Waiver. And this is really important because there's a trend that we're starting to see on conventional conforming loans. So as a reminder, this is not FHA or VA loans or jumbo loans for that matter, but on Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac conventional conforming loans, loan amounts under $753,250. And what it is when we get a purchase contract in and we run that address through our automated underwriting system, based on the negotiated purchase price, etc., we are starting to see a trend where the automated underwriting systems, in some cases, are giving property inspection waivers, which means that from a lending standpoint, we don't require a full appraisal from a licensed appraiser. So at that point, I'll circle back and we'll talk to the buyer and the buyer's agent, and we'll give them notice that in this case, they have an option to accept the property inspection waiver, or they can continue on with their traditional appraisal. Now, we may still have some buyers that want to opt out to have a full appraisal done, and that's okay. You may want to have a third party, a neutral, independent person evaluating and bringing their opinion in to see what that reasonable value is of the property that you've just negotiated on. Or you were simply concerned about the value before you negotiated into that contract. It's important for you as the buyer to know that in the case of a property inspection waiver, that you have the choice on how to proceed. Now, buyer can choose to accept the PIW and save the cost of the appraisal and shorten the timeline to release the appraisal contingencies that's included in the offer. Or you can go forward with the full appraisal inspection. That choice is truly yours. So realtors, remember that when your lender is providing you with a weekly status updates like we do with the Stryker team here at Prime Lending, or if we're being asked to release appraisal contingency, it may not be dependent upon a full appraisal being completed. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention in the hopes that it's going to provide some clarity to you that what we're seeing out there in the market today. So hopefully that makes sense, and don't hesitate to reach out. If I can be of any assistance, I'm always here to help.